A big Republic scoop on the Uddhav Sena breakup. Now, Operation Tiger could conclude on Friday. Now, as per the sources indicating that Uddhav Thackeray joined the Shiv Sena Shinde faction on June 19. 6 rebel MPs are expected to make a switch on the Shiv Sena Foundation Day. This is a historic and, in fact, kind of a very poetic ending to this faction. And the 6 rebel MPs, as per our sources, say that the Thackeray faction will be joining the Shiv Sena Shinde faction on June of 19, which also coincides with the foundation day of Shiv Sena. 6 rebel MPs expected to make the switch on June 19. The Operation Tiger could be finalized as per Republic sources. Republic has reported it first, and this has been confirmed now as per our sources that on the 19th of June, in just 2 days from now, the Shiv Sena rebel MPs will be joining the Shiv Sena, the UBT faction will be joining the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction, and now on the 19th of June, which falls on the foundation day of Shiv Sena. I'm now also joined by my colleague Revati on this. We have more information and more details. Revati, this marks a very historic shift for the 6 rebel MPs, and also picked a very peculiar date, which also falls on the foundation day of Shiv Sena. This is a very poetic ending, so to speak, of how the rebel MPs have decided to pick a date, and now the Eknath Shinde has welcomed them, and many preparations are also being made legally also, and they have picked the 19th of June, where Operation Tiger will now be finalized. Give us more details into this, Revati.
Right, so now Maharashtra politics is seeing once again the biggest turmoil after 2022, when the Shiv Sena Shinde faction is welcoming 7 MPs from the Shiv Sena UBT faction. Now, these 7 MPs, rebel MPs, actually are ready to join the Shinde faction, and that is the reason why they are in Delhi today. Also, Deputy CM of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, is in Delhi as well. All the meetings will be held in Delhi. As of now, according to the information that we are receiving, that Uddhav Thackeray tried to call all these rebel MPs, but they were not reachable, and hence Uddhav Thackeray started calling the senior leaders of Maharashtra of his faction, and he was trying to convince them. And on 19th of June, a meeting will be held with the MLAs of the Uddhav Thackeray faction, and on the same day there is the inaugural day of the Shiv Sena UBT faction. So it will be important to see that on 19th of June, who all will be present for the inaugural day as well as for the meeting. Because moving back, if we look at the meeting which was called for the MPs, only 4 MPs out of 9 MPs were present for the meeting, and now the MLAs, it is also said that 14 to 15 MLAs of UBT faction will be switching their faction from UBT faction to Shinde faction. So now it will be important to see on 19th of June who all are present on the inaugural day. Moreover, on the 19th of June, there is also one meeting called by the Uddhav Thackeray faction of the MLAs. Whether all the 14 to 15 MLAs attend the meeting or no, or there are some names coming up, they will be rebelling once again with the Uddhav Thackeray faction. Over to you.
And also, Revati, there are also reports saying that Uddhav Thackeray is in fact very in a panic mode, and he has been dialing up all of these, scrambling a last-ditch effort to prevent this happening. And what has been reported, what have you got on the reports of the call that was made by Uddhav Thackeray? And also we are getting reports that he has also sent the UBT MPs to prevent this from happening. Do you see this as a lost cause for Uddhav Thackeray?
According to the sources, yesterday night, almost all the 6 to 7 MPs reached Delhi late night. But there are some claims that are being made that Hingoli MP Nagesh Patil Ashtikar is still in his constituency for the campaigning of his son. But according to the sources, it is coming forward that not today, but Nagesh Patil Ashtikar, who is the MP of Hingoli of UBT faction, he will be switching his sides soon on 20 or 22nd of June is what we are getting to know. But on the other hand, when contact different MPs from Marathwada region or other region of Maharashtra, they were not reachable. Not only to us, not only Republic, not only for Republic, but Uddhav Thackeray, when he tried to call them, they were not reachable, and hence we are looking at the Delhi happenings today that there are.
Right. Revati, do continue to track the story, and we'll get back to you very shortly as it develops.